Leah Burke from Pulpton Corporation, and I'm here with Dr. Ted Croll from Doylestown, Pennsylvania. Dr. Croll is a pediatric dentist who uses ACTIVA BioACTIVE and is here to share a little bit about his experience using ACTIVA.
Hi, I'm Ted Croll, as Leah has said, from Doylestown, PA. It's about an hour north of Philadelphia. And it was about 2014 or so, I heard about this new type of filling material that had characteristics of both resin-based composites and the glass ionomer systems. And I was curious about how this material would work in children, both in the primary dentition and the permanent dentition. So we got some and we started to use it, and we were amazed at the simplicity of use. And after about 300 fillings, I made some opinions on how this material would be working for the long term. And we decided to put together a paper, and along with my colleagues Joel Berg and Kevin Donnelly, we related a number of cases with photographs and 6-month evaluation, which in dentistry doesn't mean too much because at 6 months you don't know that much about a material. But we made some suppositions in the paper and some predictions of how this material might work both for primary teeth and for permanent teeth. And as time went by, a year went by, 2 years went by, and we saw some really remarkable results of durability and reliability and ease of handling. And after the first 300 fillings, we put together a paper that was published in the Compendium, a publication of Aegis Communications. And we didn't make claims beyond what we could see at 6 months, because that's important not to make generalizations that you can't back up. But we predicted that in the continuum of dental materials between the dentin replacement glass ionomers and the resin-based composites, it was a unique contribution and a unique material. And after 5 years, it's proven to be exactly that. So that's it. That's our primary filling material for primary teeth, and we have some wonderful results with the permanent dentition too.
Well, thank you for sharing your experience with us, Dr. Croll. We really appreciate your being here.
Well, I appreciate what PulpDent is doing. I have a teacher who said, "Get better next week, no matter how good you are," and I see that in PulpDent. They produce some of the most remarkable materials on the market, and talking to your scientists and your staff members, all they do is have a desire to get even better. And it's hard to believe that things can happen even better, but it's happening in Watertown, Massachusetts.
Well, thank you.
Okay.